Hello friends, welcome to Computer Programming Made Easy YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see what is software and its various types. So, let's start the video. Software. Software is a set of instructions which is designed to perform a defined task and it tells the computer how to work. It is of mainly two types, namely system software and application software. Firstly, we will learn about system software as it is solely responsible for running the operating system (OS) and managing the computer device entirely. Let's start with the definition of system software. System software is a set of computer programs that is designed to manage system resources. It is a collection of such files and utility programs that are responsible for running and smooth functioning of your computer system with other hardware. System software acts as a platform for other software to work, such as antivirus software, OS compiler, disk formatting software, etc. In this topic, we will know more about the system software. Important features of system software. Computer manufacturers usually develop the system software as an integral part of the computer. The primary responsibility of this software is to create an interface between the computer hardware they manufacture and the end user. System software generally includes the following features: high speed. System software must be as efficient as possible to provide an effective platform for higher level software in the computer system. Hard to manipulate, it often requires the use of a programming language, which is more difficult to use than a more intuitive user interface (UI). Written in a low-level computer language, system software must be written in a computer language the central processing unit (CPU) and other computer hardware can read. Close to the system, it connects directly to the hardware that enables the computer to run. Versatile. System software must communicate with both the specialized hardware it runs on and the higher-level application software that is usually hardware agnostic and often has no direct connection to the hardware it runs on. System software also must support other programs that depend on it as they evolve and change. Now, let's see types of system software. Types of system software are: 1. Operating systems. An operating system is the primary computer system that allows a computerized device to function. The operating system allows the device to boot up and includes protocols for installing and operating applications on the device to provide functionality. Operating systems may specialize in a particular device, such as a computer or mobile operating system. They often are proprietary systems a manufacturer creates for use on its projects or as a publicly available or licensable operating system multiple manufacturers use. 2. Device driver. A device driver is a computer program that enables communication between the operating system and a hardware device. The driver is part of the operating system and tells the system how to interact with hardware. Some devices that require a driver to work with an operating system include printers, scanners, card readers, and modems. New hardware attachments often install and update drivers automatically, but you may download drivers online when installing a new piece of hardware or updating to the most recent driver edition. 3. Firmware. Firmware is a type of system software that operates a hardware device by telling it how to perform. It works with device drivers to make hardware work as expected, but unlike a driver, which is part of the operating system, firmware exists in the hardware. Firmware is part of most hardware devices related to the computer, such as hard drive, routers, monitors, and peripherals. 4. Programming language translator or compiler. A programming language translator or a compiler is a type of system software that translates code from one programming language to another. It converts programs in source code, a high-level language like Java or C++ that programmers use, into machine code, a low-level language the computer can interpret. The translator also detects and reports any errors during the conversion. 5. Utilities. This is a type of system software that supports the computer infrastructure. Utilities help the operating system perform tasks such as data security to keep the computer running effectively. Many utilities are third-party tools, such as antivirus and file compression software, that users install separately to help keep a computer functioning optimally. This was all about system software. Now it's time to explore about application software. Application software. Application software is capable of dealing with user inputs and helps the user to complete the task. It is also called end-user programs or only an app. It resides above system software. First, user deal with system software, after that the user deals with application software. The end user uses application software for a specific purpose. It programmed for simple as well as complex tasks. It either be installed or accessed online. It can be a single program or a group of small programs that referred to as an application suite. Some examples of application software are web browser, word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation, graphics, CAD/CAM, sending email, etc. Types of application software. According to the need of users, it is categorized into following types. 1. Presentation software. Presentation program is a program to show the information in the form of slides. We can add text, graphics, video and images to slides to make them more informative. This software has 3 components. 1. Text editor for inputting and formatting text. 2. Inserting graphics, text, video and other multimedia files. 3. Slideshow to display the information. Presentation software helps the presenter to present their ideas with ease and visual information easy to understand. Example of presentation software: Microsoft's PowerPoint and Apple's Keynote. 2. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software is used to perform manipulate and calculations. In spreadsheet software, data is stored in intersection row and column. The intersection of row and column is known as a cell. The cell labeled with the row and column label like A1, A2, etc. While entering data into the cell, we can also define the data value like text, date, time, number. It provides many formula and function to perform calculations like arithmetic operations, logical operations, text operation, etc. It provides charts, graphs to display data graphically. For example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123 for Windows and Number for Mac OS. 3. Database software. Database is a collection of data related to any applications. Today, as environment, every application has some database where data regarding users stored. For this purpose, we use database software. When we operate, the application data is accessed from the database and after manipulation, it gets back stored in the database. Database Management System (DBMS). Software tool used for storing, modifying, extracting and searching for information within a database. MySQL, MS Access, Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle is the example of database application software. 4. Multimedia software. Multimedia is a combination of text, graphics, audio and multimedia software used in the editing of video, audio and text. Multimedia software used in the growth of business, educations, information, remote system and entertainment. Entertainment. This area deal with the general public, media and telecommunication. With the growth entertainment mode, many application is available for mobile phone as well as the system. Like music and video entertainment app, navigation app, social networking application, news and weather application, educational apps and e-book readers app for preparation of any type of exams. 5. Simulation software. Simulation is an imitation of real world and environment. The simulation creates a physical environment of the real world to represent the similar behavior, function and key nature of the selected topic. Simulation is technology for education, engineering, testing, training, video games and for scientific modeling of natural systems to gain insight into their functioning. The simulation used in the area of the real world where the real system cannot be accessible or may be dangerous or unacceptable. Area of technology: flight, economics, automobiles, robotics, digital life cycle, space shuttle navigation, weather. 6. Word processing software. Word processing software is used to manipulate, format the text to create memos, letters, faxes and documents. Processing software is used to format and beautify the text. It provides a list of features. Like thesaurus, the option provides synonyms, antonyms and related words for chosen word or phrase. Find and replace feature enables users to scan and replace selected words or phrases in the document. Font option provides font color, font style, font effect, font size to modify the text. Word art option to modify or animated titles, hyphens, columns and text boxes in documents. Grammar and spelling check option available for checking errors. Many more option is listed here in software. For example, Microsoft Word, Lotus Word Pro, WordPad and Corel Word Perfect. Friends, I hope now we are all cleared with system software and application software. Now let's see the differences which makes them differ from each other and also makes them important. Let's go. Difference between system software and application software are: System software is a set of computer programs that is designed to manage system resources. Whereas, application software is a type of software that is mainly developed to perform a specific task as per the user's request. System software acts as an interface between the application software and computer hardware. Whereas, application software acts as an interface between the end user and system software. System software is a general purpose software. Whereas, application software is a specific purpose software. System software is usually installed on the computer system at the time of OS installation. Whereas, application software is usually installed on the system as per the requirement of the user. System software runs independently and works as a platform for working application software. Whereas, application software is not capable of running independently, which means they need system software to work on. System softwares are usually written in low-level languages such as assembly language. Whereas, application softwares are usually written in a high-level language such as C, C++, Java, etc. System software work on the background, hence user don't directly interact with them. Whereas, application software work on user interface, hence user directly interact with them. A system software starts running as we turn on our computer system and stops when the system is turned off. Whereas, application software runs as per user request. It means when we launch them, then only they start and stop when we close them. The development of system software is complicated and takes more time compared to application software, as they are built by considering the hardware compatibility. Development of application software is comparatively easier and takes less time than system software. These were the main difference between system software and application software. So, friends, today we have completed with software, system software and application software. But before ending our video, let me ask you two simple questions. First, can computer system run without system software? Second, do users need application software or not? You can answer these questions in comment section. However, I will also answer these questions but in my next video. If you have any query or if you want any more information about system software and application software, just leave a comment, I will surely do it for you. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and share this video to all your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.